Hello, welcome to TechWeb Dots. This is part 2. What is AWS of Cloud Computing Tutorial series. In our previous part, I have already explained what is cloud and what are the cloud providers available in the market and what are the consumers of cloud. Okay, so Amazon is one of the greatest cloud service provider in the market as of now. Okay, so let's discuss why it is so famous. At this point, AWS is the most advanced in the marketplace with regards to the quality of the enterprise services. Yes, these quality of services are very good nowadays. Full API login, compliance as code, built-in CMDB, and strong encryption and advanced user policies are there for the whole security purpose, because security is always a very important concern whenever we are going to opt for cloud. Okay, so we understand why AWS is in the market and why it is so popular, and the next is we understand what is actually AWS. Okay, we know AWS is Amazon Web Services, is a comprehensive evolving cloud computing platform provided by Amazon. Yes, you are hearing right, it is provided by Amazon, and it provides a mix of infrastructure as a service, which we say IaaS, okay, and platform as a service, which we normally say PaaS, and package software as a service, which is a SaaS offering. Okay, so these three components we will discuss in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. Okay, and please subscribe as well. AWS was one of the first companies to introduce pay as you go cloud computing model that scaled to the provide user with compute, storage or throughput as needed. Means it is as per the requirement, things getting bigger. Okay, an AWS customer can assign up virtual machines and replicate data in different AZ is availability zone to achieve a higher reliable infrastructure that is resistant to failure of individual server or an entire data center. The meaning of discussing here availability zone is, if we say if there is a one data center failure, then we have a different copy of our data in different data center. That's why it is very much consistent. Okay, and resistant as well. More than 100 services comprise the Amazon Web Service. Can't you believe, more than 100 services. Okay, and Amazon Web Service portfolio, including those for compute, database, infrastructure management, application development and security, and a lot more. Okay, so no need to worry if this is confusing or lots of theory here, because in our upcoming video session I will show you how we can create account, how we can use these AWS services. Okay, so this is a typical architecture, right? On the cloud, what are the things are available. These are the most common, but there are a lot more services that we can do with the cloud: server, network, application, VDIs, software platform, like any software we can install, databases are there, virtual machines we can get from there, application can be hosted there, and servers and more. So whole world is connected and any users are interacting nowadays the cloud. Okay, so there are few important facts about AWS that I want to share with you. Fastest growing cloud computing platform. Okay, largest public cloud computing platform, fastest and latest largest both. Okay, increasing number of organizations day by day by using AWS, like for example financial institutions such as Capital One, tech innovators including Netflix and Uber. Okay, and legislative bodies such as the US government. Okay, AWS began in 2006 and they currently have over million active customers using the platform. This is very important point. Customer base of over 190 countries including 2000 government agencies. Today more than 1/3 of all internet users visit a site or application provided by AWS. This is very a remarkable point. Okay, so again I will show you. So these are the cloud service provider we were discussing about Amazon Web Services, and we will also discuss Google Cloud and Azure as well, and these are the cloud customer: Netflix, Spotify, Slack, Uber and many more. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please leave a comment. I will reply on that as soon as possible. If you are facing any problem in AWS, then I am ready to help you anytime, anywhere through internet communication. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video, which is what is AWS account and console. Okay, and we also discuss more useful stuff like IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. Okay, so have a good day. Thank you.